Welcome guys to another tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to make a surplice or wrap design. Now the surplice design has an overlap at the front, so we'll be cutting two for the front. Okay, so we'll be using contour 1 and 5 for this design. Okay, so I'm going to start by drawing my neckline. You can decide to have the neckline very deep or very high. It's a thing of preference, but I want mine to be as deep as this. Okay, so I'll use my ruler to connect from my shoulder seam to the waist area there. So like I said, I'll be doing contour 1 and contour 5. These are the two contours that I'll be using for this style. Contour 1 is on the mid neckline and contour 5 is on the bust line. Okay, so let's start with contour 5. To mark contour 5, I'm going to connect my nipple to nipple point, forming my bust line. And then on this line along the center front, I'll mark 3/8 on each sides of the line. 3/8. Remember, contour 5 is 3/4 in total, and divided by 2 is 3/8 and 3/8. So I'll just connect those points to my bust point to form the contour 5 triangle, that triangle. Okay, so that's what I'm just doing right now. So this is my contour 5. Now take note of where the contour touches the neckline. I'm going to be folding, that's the point. I'll be folding along that line, and then you notice that the line has shifted. I'll close the contour guideline. Okay, that's what I've just done. You've noticed there is a shift in the neckline. All you need to do is just to redraw the line, straighten it out as much as possible. So I've redrawn my line and this is it. Okay, so I'm done with contour 5. Let's move on to contour 1. Contour 1 is a contour on the mid neckline, so I'll just connect from my mid neckline to my bust line. And then the next thing I'll do is to mark my bust arc radius, my bust arc circumference actually. Now you can decide to draw a full circle, but I need just a bit on the upper part here, so I'll just mark as many points as possible. And then where my bust arc touches the neckline, the line from the mid neckline, I'll just mark 3/8, then connect that point to my bust point and then to my neckline, forming the triangle for contour 1. Okay, so that's contour 1, and then I'll close the part where contour 1 touches my neckline. Then you notice the shift in the neckline, then you redraw the neckline. So this is it. Okay, so I'm done with contour 1 and contour 5, and this is what it looks like. So I'll just redraw my complete neckline from the top of my pattern, that's the shoulder area, to the waistline, so you guys can see what it looks like. You don't need to pin down the neckline or anything of such, because the neckline will just be firm, it will just sit firmly. So let's cut out our pattern. Now you can choose to do contour 4 or any other contour on the pattern, but I'm just showing you how to work on the neckline to eliminate gaping. Okay, so I'm just trying to open up my waist dart to transfer my bust dart and show you what my pattern looks like. My bust dart is closed, my waist dart is opened, and I have taped down contour 5 and contour 1. So this is how my pattern is looking like. Okay guys, I've traced out another piece. Remember I said the surplice design is usually cut in two. You need two of the front pattern, okay, to create that overlap. So I've traced out another one that will be at the right hand side. Okay, so this is what my pattern looks like. So this is it. I have taped down my darts for the two patterns. So guys, this is it. This is the final result of my surplice or wrap design. The neckline is very relaxed, very relaxed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this tutorial on surplice design helpful and inspiring for your next sewing project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And make sure to subscribe to Jayflair and hit the notification bell so you get notified on any of our upcoming tutorials. And I would like to hear your thoughts and see your creations. So drop a comment below and tag me on social media. Keep creating, and then I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye.